Previously on Classic Caillou Gets Grounded.
Oh my god, I can't believe this.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Wait a minute. That stupid maintenance person didn't even get the cameras rolling. Just look at this.
Wait, what do you mean maintenance person?
Well, this morning, I got a call from the vice principal saying that one of our cameras was malfunctioning. So I called the maintenance to come check it out. This is what happened.
Come on, you stupid piece of junk. Why won't you turn on? I am already getting fed up for this.
Excuse me, sir, how's it going fixing the camera?
Well, to be completely honest, it's been a real pain in the ass. I have been trying to get this thing running for about an hour, but every time, it keeps acting out. At this point, I don't know if I can fix this or not. You may have to call an electrician or something.
Oh come on, you're the camera engineer, for crying out loud. You can fix this. You're just making this up because you're lazy and want me to spend more money. We're already tight on money, you know, so just get this fixed, even if it takes more than a week to get it running.
Fine, whatever, man. Some people can just be needy and cheap when it comes to these things. I mean seriously, they can try fixing an old camera for themselves and see how hard it is. But whatever, I better get back to fixing this honk of a garbage camera. Oh yes, it's break time. I can finally have a rest from this piece of junk.
So basically, that's what happened. The camera wasn't even working at all. So we didn't catch the person who pulled the fire alarm.
Oh yes, let's go. Let's go back to class.
Well then, you can just go back inside the classroom. I'll take care of this.
Ha, sweet.
Speaking of the maintenance person, where is he?
I'm right here. What are you all on about?
Well, someone pulled the fire alarm and the cameras were shut off when you tried to repair them. And where the hell were you? You were supposed to fix the cameras instead of sleeping around like a maniac.
Okay, first of all, you don't yell at me, or insult me like that. And second of all, I left on my break, because I went to McDonald's. That's why I didn't hear the fire alarm.
You were supposed to fix the cameras, for God's sake. Not take breaks.
Well actually, what time did he take his break?
10:15, exactly.
Well, he had the right to take a break, so don't blame him for the cameras not working.
Oh whatever.
Excuse me, who's the principal of the school?
That's me, why you ask?
Well, we need authorization so we can test the pull station for fingerprints.
Sure, go right ahead, it's down the hall.
Thank you. We'll let you know if we find something. Okay, so I got some good and bad news.
Let's hear the good news first.
So the good news is that the pull station isn't damaged and has been reset.
Okay then, so what's the bad news?
The bad news is that the pull station didn't capture any fingerprints, so we are unable to identify who the culprit is.
What? No, this can't be.
Well, this is just great, just as our jobs couldn't be any harder. Now that person really got away.
Well, I'm sorry we cannot do anything else, but if you find something, please let us know.
Okay then, have a good day, officer.
Should I get back to fixing the camera?
Well actually, you can take the rest of the day off. We need time to process this.
Okay then, have a good rest of the day, Superintendent.
Now why the hell are you all standing here? Get back to work.
Okay, no need to yell, we're going.
I'm going to need a beer when I get home.
Well, I'm glad we're finally out of school. It started to stink in there.
I mean sure, it did stink. But in the end, you'll get used to it for the rest of the day.
You're only saying that because you don't get in much trouble as me.
Oh, whatever.
So, how was your day at school?
It was alright.
Lame and boring.
Classic Caillou, you don't talk smack about school.
Well, our day was also interesting.
Oh really?
Yeah, the fire alarm went off and the whole school was evacuated. Later it was found to be a false alarm. But I'm glad we all made out safely.
Well, I'm glad too. I know sometimes the fire alarm system can malfunction where it goes off on its own, or maybe some menace pulled the fire alarm. And if that's the case, whoever pulled that fire alarm should get grounded for all of eternity.
Oh dear, Dad sounds mad about someone pulling the fire alarm. I hope he doesn't know that it was me, nor should I tell or say anything. Well, finally, I can finally get some rest.
Time for me to hop onto Fortnite.
Classic Caillou, it's dinner time, come downstairs.
Have a seat, Classic Caillou. Alright, I'm going to clean this up.
I'm going to watch some TV in the living room.
I guess I'll just go to my room.
Hey Caillou, did you study for that math test?
Huh? What math test?
Oh, forget it.
I didn't know what he was saying.
Man, I can't believe there's a math test to begin with, and Caillou didn't even bother to study a bit of those equations. Like seriously, what should I do? I know what I must do. It's a good thing Miss Martin gave us this study guide, so that I know what I should search up and secretly take it with me to the test. I am a genius. Alright, I think I got all I need. I will definitely pass this test. I even launched a quick game of Minecraft. Easy peasy. Oh shoot, Dad is coming.
Well, I guess Classic Caillou was asleep all along. Although I heard some noises, must be my head cause I'm tired. Well, time for me to head to bed myself.
Haha, now we just wait until tomorrow.
Come on kids, you don't want to be late for school.
We're coming, Dad, don't worry.
Now you kids have a good day, and hope that fire alarm doesn't go off again.
Well, today is the day we do this math test. With these notes, I will definitely ace this test.
Well, TBH, only thing you will ace is getting a detention, since Miss Martin will definitely catch you cheating.
Shut up, dummy. No one asked for your opinion.
Oh, whatever.
Alright, class. It's time for your math test.
Wait, what? Did you say math test?
Yes, I did, Caillou. What? Did you forget to study, yet again?
No, Miss Martin.
Good. It better be.
Why study when you got notes with you?
Anyways, I will now hand up the tests. Okay, class, you may now begin.
Alright, I got my notes, let's do this. And the final question, 78 times 9. Let me just make some calculation with my notes and it's done. That was easier than what I expected. Let's turn this to Miss Martin. Miss Martin, I would like to submit my test to you.
Well, thank you, Classic Caillou. But this is unusual. Normally you would submit your test very last, and even then, you would fail instantly.
Well, what can I say? Sometimes people can change and try to put their effort. And I decided to actually try.
Well, okay then. I'll just take your test and you can go back to your seat until class is over.
Haha, I can't believe Miss Martin bought it. Now I'll just have to wait for the results.
Okay, class, you may go now. I will give back your tests tomorrow.
Haha, yes, I will definitely get an A on this test.
Alright, seriously, can we please stop using these time cards? I mean seriously, you used them like 80 times and it's getting really annoying.
How about no? And besides, this is probably the last one of the video, so you can shut up about this.
Ugh, fine, whatever you say.
Good, now get back to your spot or you're out of here.
Alright, I'm going.
Alright, let's get to grading these tests. Let's start with Classic Caillou since he submitted his test first. So let's see what it's all about. This can't be. Am I seeing this right? I can't believe this.